Yay, mother! Today we'll have a grand party!
Yes, my dear son. Your great-grandfather has completed a century.
Century?
Yes, century, 100 years. Century, a period of 100 years. What are you doing, Rosie?
I am making a bunch of flowers.
Oh, my dear, it's called a bouquet.
Mother, bouquet?
Bouquet, which means a bunch of flowers. Careful, Rosie. This vase is brittle.
Brittle?
Yes, anything which breaks easily is brittle. Brittle, a thing which can be broken easily.
Sister, come here. See.
Oh, it's an ambulance.
Ambulance?
Yes, brother. This vehicle helps to take sick people to the hospital.
Ambulance, a carriage for carrying sick and wounded. Harry, come here. Have a look at this card.
Mother, wait please. Movie is at the peak point.
Harry, it's called climax.
Climax?
Yes, climax. Climax, which means the peak point of a story or a plot.
Okay, mother. I got it.
Now come and see this art of your sister.
Oh, it's calligraphy.
Oh, great! You know that the art of beautiful writing is called calligraphy?
Yes, mother.
Calligraphy, the art of beautiful writing.
Mother, isn't my doll looking pretty?
Oh, yes!
Mother, today is my doll's marriage.
Oh, yes! This bride is very beautiful.
Bride?
Yes, darling. Bride. Bride. A girl about to be married or has recently been married.
Mother, what do we call a boy who is about to be married?
Well, he's a bridegroom. Bridegroom. A boy about to be married or newly married. One ticket for adult and one for adolescent.
Adolescent?
Yes. Since you are 14 years old, you are an adolescent. And the stage is called adolescence. Adolescence, a state of growth between boyhood and youth.
This singer is very handsome.
Yeah. Is he a bachelor?
Mother, what's a bachelor?
A bachelor means an unmarried man. Bachelor, a man who is not married. Rosie, do you know he's an amateur singer?
Mother, amateur?
Amateur, a person who does some work for pleasure alone and does not charge anything like a professional.
Hello, beautiful audience.
Mother, are we audience?
Yes, dear. Audience, which means an assembly of listeners.
Am I audible to you people?
Mother, what do we mean by audible?
Audible means something that can be heard. Audible, which means something that can be heard.
Today I am going to sing a song written by an anonymous writer.
Anonymous? Mother, what is anonymous?
Darling, it means whose name is not known. Anonymous, which means something written by an unknown person. Dear students, you just heard a few examples of one word for many. There are many more which you can find out and use them.